apply on camera, and there it is, the Urban Decay Naked Palette on camera. It doesn't have, what is this? Is this a matte? It's kind of a matte. Okay, so I'm going to use this color Chaser, which is this color right here for under my brow bone. I just have concealer on as my primer. Okay, so putting that Chaser, which basically kind of drifted away to nothing underneath my brow. So it's basically the color of my skin. So I'm going to go above that with the color Ounce, and that has a little bit of a shimmer. And yeah, that's much better. Okay, so taking that, and then I'm going to go into the color He Devil. Oh, that's really pigmented. Okay, I wasn't expecting all of that, because the other two colors were quite sheer. So I was expecting this to be a little on the sheer side too, but it's blending out beautifully. Okay, and then I'm going to go into En Fuego, which is a deeper, berry color right here. Taking that underneath it. I think I'll go into Lumbre right here with my finger. Okay, so I'm going to go back into Ounce and put that in my inner corner. Oh, these blend out really nicely. Okay, I do need to darken this up a smidge on the outer corner. So I'm going to go into Ashes, which is this purplish color here. And just tap a little bit on the corner here. Okay, and then I'm going to take the brush that's in the palette using the flatter side, and I think I'm going to go back into He Devil and run that along my lower lash line here. Running it along the lower lash line. Going back with Ashes, that purpley color, and then putting that on the very outer corner tightly against my lashes. Okay, then I'm going to take this Prestige. They sent me this Prestige Colossal Ink Extreme Long Lasting Pen. They sent me 2 liners. They sent me the Total Intensity Against All Odds Liquid Eye Ink eyeliner. I don't like this. The applicator is like a plastic tip, so it wipes away every time you freaking apply it. And then the color looks like a warm brown, and it ends up being a dark brown. I like the color. I don't like the applicator. So this one is a little fatter. It's way fatter. It's like a marker, and I actually really, why do I look cross-eyed? Actually really like it. It's very black. It's long-lasting, and I really like this. It's easy to apply. It doesn't wipe up if you if you go over it. It is easy to make a mistake though, like I just did, because it is a fatter, wet pen. Okay, so what I can tell you about this eyeliner is that it is really black. It's really gorgeous. It goes on really easily, very easy to glide on, but since I have textured eyelids, it does skip a little bit, and that's what, and then I end up making it so thick. Then let me do some highlighter. Push y'all out a little bit. I got the highlighter from ColourPop, and I like your face. And I think I'm going to use this color here, which is called Bigger and Better. Oh yeah. Very pretty. For lips, I think I'm going to use this color, Barracuda. I know I like this color, so. And then that is it. Okay, so, okay, that's gone. My impressions of the palette is that it's very beautiful. They blend it out really easily. I do see that in my crease it's kind of separating, and I don't know if that's because I just used concealer as my primer, so I have to play around with it some more. Very pretty, but I feel like it's more of a fall look. But that's it with my Urban Decay heat. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you like me, give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.